Today I'm making the ultimate homemade iced tea. Iced tea is a big deal in my house. We make a good quart or two every day. Everyone in the house drinks it. You come over, I'll offer you a glass. And it's unsweetened. So what I like to do is make a simple syrup so people can sweeten it as they like. And you can flavor simple syrups. Great for a party. Today I'm gonna make lemon simple syrup. You can make grapefruit, you can make orange, you can take some spices like cinnamon. World's your oyster when it comes to simple syrup, but lemon, house favorite. And the simple syrup ratio is very easy. It's 1 part water, 1 part sugar to 1 tablespoon of citrus zest. So to fill my bottle, I know I need 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 1 1/2. It's 1 1/2 cups of sugar. There we go. 1 1/2 cups of water, and this is good water. This is the filtered water from my fridge. And then last but not least, some lemon zest, and it's 1 1/2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Thereabouts. The other thing is the simple syrup takes on this beautiful hue that looks like lemons because the color really seeps into the syrup, even though we're gonna strain out the zest. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, this is ready for the stove. Only needs to cook for about 5 minutes to dissolve the sugar and infuse that lemon flavor. Oh, everybody in my family loves this iced tea. And it's unsweetened, so that's where the simple syrup comes in. We make our tea unsweetened, which is why I like keeping this lemon simple syrup on hand. And this stays in the fridge for a while. We use it for all sorts of iced teas, lemonades, cocktails. Garnish with, a little lemon, old school lemon on the side of the glass, and fresh mint. As the mint gets down into the iced tea, oh, lemon mint tea, so refreshing. All right, that's it for the tea. Perfect for summer. See you next time. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website, americastestkitchen.com/JuliaAtHome.